I'm right now courtside, and it looks like a...
Ay, gago. Palo din pala to si Eternity, no?
It's not other than...
Palo din to si Eternity, no?
Welcome to Malaysia.
Thank you.
Guys,
Oh, wow. So many fans. You guys know it? So we are one game away of crowning our new world
si Eternity, gago. Palo ba? Palo.
Are you here to support
Pwede,
Indonesia?
pwede.
CLID?
Yes, of course. I'm here. M6. Want to support.
Hindi na kasi.
Ano yan yan? Crush nyo si Hawi.
Crush ng si Hawi? Palo nga naman si Kuya ng iway.
Naka-date na yan.
See, I don't know if there's a lot of Indonesians in the building or it's just
Tang ina.
Not sure, no? Mga bagay-bagay.
Ay, yung mga tinuro ko kay Yahweh.
Oo, may chance na gawin.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, pagkano, your ex to me kagad. Yeah, oo.
Hindi, your check to me naman.
May check na nga yun, Min.
From Bata.
Alright.
Your check into me.
Gago palo.
Your check into me.
Your check into me, no? Gago, malagbag si Yahweh, guys.
Ano mo eh? Kaya pala, baka yun talaga yung plano ni boss niya.